How long have you not been to a bank? A Weibo survey shows that more than 60% of people have not been to a bank for more than a year. These days, as more and more financial services become available on a smartphone, fewer and fewer people have to go to a physical bank. In a wave of digital transformation, a company called WeBank is at the forefront. In 2014, WeBank was born in the Qianhai Development Zone in Shenzhen as China's first private bank and the first digital bank. Anything from depositing, taking out a loan to wealth management, all financial services are at your fingertips. Challenging ginormous state-owned banks, how did the online-only bank find its own way out of China's fiercely competitive banking industry? The answer lies in two keywords: technology and sinking market. Speaking of technology, WeBank has an innate advantage. It was founded by Tencent with internet technology in its DNA. As of the end of 2022, Tencent remained WeBank's single largest shareholder with a stake of over 30%. With the backing of Tencent, WeBank developed China's first self-controlled distributed banking system instead of the traditional centralized system that most banks adopted. Simply put, centralized banking is like a general commanding thousands of troops, processing all business operations with few super large hosts. On the other hand, distributed system is decentralized, breaking down business operation into several smaller tasks and distributing them to many hosts. Distributed banking is reliable, higher in performance yet lower in cost. For example, each day there's an influx of customers using WeBank to take out small loans. Instead of hiring staff to review a huge amount of loan applications, the bank uses distributed system to help it make decisions in minutes. In addition to technological strength, WeBank, taking advantage of Tencent's massive amount of users, makes its product accessible on the ubiquitous WeChat, thus being able to connect with the so-called long-tail customers who have long been obscured to traditional banking services, small and micro enterprises, and the general public. It used to be hard for these people to obtain loans due to high risk and low collateral assets, and they had to turn to private lending. But WeBank, as its name suggests, was set out to empower these people, providing inclusive financial services to individuals and small business by launching a selection of unsecured loan products. As of the end of 2022, WeBank's individual customers exceeded 360 million, twice the amount of many large banks, and it also counted over 3.4 million small and micro enterprises as its customers. In 2022, WeBank achieved a net profit of 8.94 billion yuan, even more than the combined amount of all the other 18 private banks in China. By the end of last year, WeBank's total assets neared 500 billion yuan, ranking first among China's private banks. WeBank's path to success tells the story of a trailblazer, a challenger who did what traditional banks had never dared to do. With the audacity to innovate in its genes, WeBank is just like Qianhai, where it comes from, continues to push the limit and walk in the forefront of China's transformation to digital finance.